Hello, in this video I want to show you how to quickly send any type of files or to transfer your entire phone to Samsung Galaxy S23 series. So this guide will include the Android smartphone. There's also other guide if you want to transfer your iPhone to this Samsung. So now let's open Google Play Store on both of our devices, and here we need to download this app. It's called Send Anywhere. So on this phone, simply enter the search. Let's change to apps first and enter Send Anywhere and simply install it. When it's ready, open it on both of the devices. You'll need to grant some permissions and confirm to a few policies and terms. So let's do that. And a quick note that I would suggest to use the Wi-Fi network to send the files between these two devices, as it takes a lot of internet from your mobile data. And yeah, so now we'll be sending the files from this phone, it's also Samsung, to this Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and here we need to go for send, and on this phone we need to go for receive. Now select which files you want to send from your phone. Let's say we want to use this Send Anywhere app, and some photos like this one, and this one. There's also videos, audio clips, any kind of apps that are installed on this device. You can select them all if you want by pressing on this button right here. I'm gonna actually remove them because it will take a lot of time. There's contacts. We need to allow Send Anywhere to view our contacts, and now pick which one of them you want to send. There's also files. So that means you can send any type of file right here that is different from all that we've just selected. Now that we have 6 of things selected, we can go for send, and we can see this code right here. There's also the QR code which you can scan with your phone to receive these files, and a link. I'm gonna go with code. So we need to enter this code in the input key right here. It's 364721. Now click on receive. And the file transfer should begin. You can view the progress by looking right here. When it's done, it will say completed, and you can click on a pack of the files and open any of them. They also should be sent between all different things, like all images will be in your gallery and MP3 files in your music player, and etc. So let's check this image. It's a video, sorry, this image. As you can see, it's the same quality and nothing has changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.